Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about weak slot and filler structure. A slot is an attribute value pair in its simplest form. How we can understand what is slot? Suppose this is a semantic net, then this box is the slot. Suppose we were using frames, then the frame will be our slot. A slot is a attribute value pair. Suppose I was using the frame, then there can be different attribute value pair in it. So a slot is a attribute value pair in its simplest form. We were initially using in the normal predicate logic, or you can say a normal logics. In that logic, we used to represent logics with a form of, suppose, man Marcus. So we used to represent our prepositional statements in form of brackets or in form of relation between this. But when you want to compose the difficult logic sentence, then this prepositional logic or propositional logic will not work. Then we need a different form of structure. So a weak slot and filler structure. A slot is an attribute value pair in its simplest form. This is a slot. As the name suggests, slot means anything in which we can put something and which has relation with different things. A filler is a value that a slot can take. It can be numeric, string, pointer to another slot. This was our slot. This is an example of semantic net. So this was our slot and RAM is the value. So what are our slots? This box is our slot, this box is our slot, and RAM and human are our fillers. So now one of the question is, why do we need this weak slots and filler structure when we were able to represent our sentence in form of logics that were in either prepositional logic or that were in predicate logic? So then why do we need this weak slot and filler structure? Monotonic inheritance. Monotonic inheritance can be performed substantially more efficiently with this structure than with pure logic. If you want to, if in a statement there is a inheritance association, then to represent this inheritance in predicate logic, it was tough. Like mammals, like you can say dog is a animal. Animals are mammals. So for this you can write dog, or for representing these two statements you can represent as mammals in bracket animal on in bracket dog. So this was not in proper way that we can represent this. So we need a new type of structure in which representing a monotonic inheritance will make us easy. So the reason that makes inheritance easy in the knowledge is slot and filler system is structured as a set of entities and their attributes. Now this is an example of inheritance. RAM is one of the value and human is another value. Now we can easily represent it with the help of is a relationship. Ram is a human, and for this statement dog is a animal. Now we can represent this easily as dog is a animal, and now so on. Now we can continue the continue animal is a mammal. So in weak slot and filler structure, the one problem with the logics were that monotonic reasoning or monotonic inheritance or inheritance was not easy to represent. But with the help of these weak slots and filler structures, now representing inheritance is easy. So there are two types of weak slots and filler structure. First is semantic net and second is frame, that we are going to discuss in next video. Thank you.